Welcome everyone. In this video we will show you how to open your store on Ratch. Start by heading down to the bottom of the screen and clicking on Find Out More. On the next page, you will find information about what we offer on Ratch, such as 0% commission on your sales. At the bottom of this page, click on the button, Open Your Shop Now. On the seller's registration page, you enter your details, simply starting with your name. Next is your email address, followed by your phone number. Next you enter the name of your shop. This will be publicly displayed on the Ratch website. The system will then check to see if your shop name is available. If it is, then your URL will be generated automatically. You can choose if you would like to subscribe to the mailing list. You must then agree to the terms and conditions off the site. You can find a copy of them by clicking on the words. If you have a referral code, you can enter it here. And finally, you can choose which subscription pack is right for you. Full details about our pricing can be found on the home page. Then you can click Register. You will then be taken through to the checkout page where you enter your billing details and subscribe to Ratch. Congratulations, you are now on Ratch. Here you will be greeted by the Setup Wizard. It will guide you through the basics of getting your store ready. It is worth noting that this step can be skipped and completed in your seller's dashboard later. If you follow the wizard, you will first enter your store details. Next is your seller's banking options. This is how you will receive any revenue from your sales on Ratch. On the next page you can enter your ID verification details. It is important to understand that this is optional at this stage. And you're done. This is your seller's dashboard. Here you can add products, check your orders, adjust postage details, create discount coupons, live chat with customers, contact admin for help and support, and much more. In the next video we will go through each section in detail. Thank you for watching, we hope it was useful. Please subscribe to the channel so we are easy to find next time. If you have a particular topic you would like us to cover whilst using Ratch, then please leave a comment below or contact us through your seller's dashboard. Finally, we would like to welcome you to the Ratch marketplace and wish you great success with your new store.